Oh my god. How are you doing? Your educators, you're watching right now. Hope you're all doing fine. So, this might be another episode about the brooms. I've come with another type I promised you coming up with, and this is the one I'm holding at the moment. Ba-bam! This one. This one is having this is gotten from the trees, just again from the nearby forest around me. Show them. If you see all those trees, the trees you're having a sight at, these are the brooms. These brooms, I get them from those trees. Yes, they might be tiresome, sliding, cutting a branch. It is really tiresome, but no pain, no gain. You have to make money, and money comes from hard work. So this tree has a variety of advantages and a variety of what we can get from them. So for today, I'm coming up with this broom. Not only a broom, but other uses that I'll come up with. Other videos, I cannot explain everything from this one video. So I'm going to show you how we come up with such brooms. I'm going to show you how we come up with these brooms. Just a second. So this is what we do. We just have to cut and collect. I think it's enough for an experiment. So now these have very many uses. I do not know whether we're having those people that make mats, mikeka. These are also one of the advantages, that the things that we use when we are making our mats at home. One, I will not skip this. Let me talk about it just right now, because I may not get a chance of showing it to you. But before we make this broom that I'm going to show you, there is one thing we first do without making a broom. We first do this. For those abakole mikeka know what I'm doing. So you people, I know you know so. So the one this is kind of small. Let me make another one. You don't want going inside getting a knife, but I'm sure a knife will do it. Do it better. Oh my god, this is very young, but I'll be. So this is what I've come up with. This is not so much. This is because this is not a lesson that I was going to show you today. So this one is what I've come up with. This is used in making mats, joining them. Those people know when they are joining. This is one. I don't know how they are called in English, but in Luganda they are known as also. You can call it fiber. Yeah, you can call it fiber. So we get it. This is one of the things we get from them. Another thing, we get the other broom. The broom I've just showed you. How do we make that broom? So after getting the other the other what? After getting that paper we are just from getting, now we can get the broom. The broom, this is how we do it. Show me how you do it. This is so when we are peeling, we peel the hardest part. The beginning of this one is what makes up a broom. These brooms are mostly used in what? I used in sweeping compounds because it is not favorable in sweeping the compound without grass. So it is better sweeping a compound with grass. It is very better because when I'm using these other brooms I showed you back, it is really difficult using them in grass. So this is one of the advantages of these sticks that I'm getting right now. Another one thing, for you people that eat street food or street meat, that street chicken you find roasted, those beef you find along the roads roasted, these are the sticks that are used roasting those chicken and the beef you always eat. This is what they use. So after coming up with our sticks, yes, let me call them sticks, we dry them up. After drying them up, that is when they are useful. As you can see my broom, it is after drying it that it is becoming actually a real broom. So this is this is the broom that I've managed coming up with. So we dry them up. As you know, it just do not come up from nothing. So this is what we have at this time. We've dried them, and this is now useful. They are useful, and they are going to really bring up income to our family. Thank you. Please like, comment, follow for more videos coming on your For You page. Thank you.